Okay, so this is the 300 egg incubator. I'm going to show you how to connect it from the scratch up to the fully connection. So as you can see, you have the rollers. So this is the roller. Then this is the set. This is the set for preparing the hatching basket. Yeah. So this is the complete set of preparing the hatching basket. I'll take you step by step until everything is complete. Okay, now let's start from the controller. As you can see, the controller, then so this is the connection side. So if you want to use the battery, this is where you'll connect your battery system. The battery input, this one, the battery input. So the battery input, the red one, the battery input, there, then you lock it, and the neutral one here, the neutral one. There. Then you lock it again. Make sure everything is completely tight. So that's the battery unit. If you want to use the battery, this is the battery unit. Now, if you want to use the electric side or the AC side, there's no need for connecting the battery unit. There's no need. So the battery unit is only for connecting if you want to use the battery. But if you don't want to use it, no need to connect this one. Okay, so let's go to the connection materials. So you see these clips, every clip is fitted with its input. So as you can see, this one is for the turning and all that, for the sensors. You can see it's just fitted just direct. This one cannot get to the other side or to the other side. It only gets where it is fitted, where it can correspond. So just there. So you can see the long one, just in the long one. Push it inside. You push it inside firmly. Yeah, that way. Then the shorter one here, the shorter one. This one for the heater. For the heater, you push it again. You just push it gently. Okay, now the remaining one for the sensors. This one is for the sensor. For your incubator to be very more accurate, it needs to sense. It needs to send the signal to the display. So for the sensor, this is the way you connect it. Just there, send. The center there. Then you push it firmly again. Then this one is for the lights. Push it again. That way. So as you can see, your 300 egg capacity is complete, set. Every connection is connected to the detailed information. Now this one, This is in case you're using the battery. If you're not using the battery, if you're not using the DC module, there's no need to connect. So you can just remove it that way. And if you want to use the electricity, this cable for the electricity, you just connect it here, there. So you'll connect the electricity there. So your incubator is ready to function. Then the rollers, as you can see, there's here a water tank. This water tank rotates. So when it rotates with the wetness comes on the top side. Then the heater will heat this environment. So this wetness will evaporate and produce moisture. When the moisture will rise to this area, the fan is here. The fan will circulate this moisture to this area where you have kept your eggs. Now, for the turning, you see this the red connector, you'll connect it to the black one. So the red connector to the black connector, the red connector to the black connector. So this one is for the turning module, for the turning system. So the red one to the black one. Then there is another black cable, but here behind. Now that one is not for the turning, that one is for the water system. For the water system, as you can see here. So the other connectors are black, totally black. But this connector is black and red. So that one is for the water system. Okay. I think that one is now enough for our 300 egg incubator. So we can just put it on for testing. We are testing using the Kenya power. Testing using the Kenya power. So you put it on from here. There's a button here behind. That way, the incubator goes on. So give it time. So as you can see, it displays here the temperature, then the humidity, then the days. So the first step is you press the mode button. So the mode button, when you press the mode button once, it will shift itself to chicken mode. So the condition for the incubator now to hatch is set at chicken mode. So you can also press, you can long press to dark mode. So you can see when you long press, it changes the mode. So it can change even to the goose, to the pigeon. Then here at the constant, this is the custom setting where you can set your temperature either way that you want your eggs to hatch. So this is the goose mode, then the pigeon. You can see there is the pigeon. Yeah. So that's the way. So here at the custom mode is where you can change anything that you want, maybe the temperature or maybe the humidity, with the relation to the area where you come from, or the type of bird that you want to hatch. So when it is at custom, you can now press the temperature. So you can see it blinks. So you can shift it to 32 or either 31. Yeah, so that way it's okay. Now that one, our incubator is ready now, ready to function. Okay. Thank you. Give us a call on 07 15 42 47 76 for more information and updates. Thank you.